Hi there, and welcome to Toni's Garage. Today I will unbox the latest models received from the Instagram page, miniature_world 0. I will add a link to the page in the description.
And I hope you are a fan of German sports cars, because this package will only have, spoiler alert, BMW models.
The first model added to the collection is a 2005 BMW M6 MotoGP safety car, made by Kyosho, on a 1/43 scale. This is a die-cast model car, with very nice details and with a bonnet that opens so it can unveil the engine, but I will show you this feature in another clip. The next three models, as you can see, have a very distinct type of packaging. This is a type of box that I have only seen at BMW model cars made for BMW dealers, but anyhow, I can declare myself quite a fan of this type of packaging. Even if this model looks pretty similar to the previous one, I need to specify that this BMW is not the M6 edition, and only, if I can say that, the 645C version, modified as a safety car for the 2005 MotoGP Championship. The details on this die-cast model are specific to Kyosho's high standards, and the bonnet is mobile, exactly as in the previous case. Now, let's move to a model car that, for me at least, is the best looking safety car BMW has made. With the same dealer edition packaging, this is the 2001 BMW Z8 safety car, made by Kyosho, on a 1/43 scale. As you can see, this model car also has a mobile bonnet, but unfortunately, the camera didn't get the engine details as they are in reality, so I might make a separate clip for this beauty, in order for you to see it in more detail. Now, let's move to the last model of the package, which is a model I received as a gift from the owner of the miniature_world 0 Instagram page. This is also a 1/43 scale BMW made by Kyosho, but it is not a safety car. So this is the 2004 BMW 6 Series convertible, with the same amount of details as the previous models. Tell me what do you think about these BMW models, and if you'd like me to make a separate, more in-depth clip with a specific model. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Cheers!